Here's the news of the day for March 18th of 2025.
AIBOT successfully conducted the first eVTOL test flight at San Bernardino's Norton Test Range, advancing autonomous aviation and paving the way for commercial deployment.
Ambulances U.K. appoints Sarah Thulis as chair of its board of trustees, bringing extensive leadership experience to support air ambulance charities across the UK.
Volo Mission announces the second annual Ladies of Longline event on May 1st to 2nd this 2025, fostering connections, career growth, and industry support for women in external load operations.
The Vertical Flight Society will host its fourth annual H2 Aero Symposium in Long Beach, showcasing hydrogen aviation advancements with experts from industry, government, and academia.
Switlik Survival Products introduced the FAA-approved TAC-X Tactical Aircrew Vest, featuring an ergonomic X-back design and MOL compatibility for enhanced safety and comfort in rotary wing operations.
Collins Aerospace secured an $80 million contract to upgrade US Army Black Hawk helicopters with MOSARC, a modular avionics system enabling rapid technology integration.
Mana Aero and Just Eat are launching drone food deliveries in Dublin, aiming to expand across Europe for faster, more flexible service, even in remote areas.
Sean McGeagh has been appointed chair of the IADA Foundation Board, aiming to expand aviation education and scholarships, while continuing the Foundation's philanthropic mission.
Specialized firefighting aircraft known as Super Scoopers have been deployed to combat the 33 road fire in Logan County, Oklahoma, which has destroyed 49 homes and burned over 40,000 acres since March 14th.
Bridger Aerospace has appointed Sam Davis as CEO, recognizing his leadership during strong growth, as the company expands wildfire response efforts nationwide.
To learn more, follow us on YouTube, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, or visit us at abfoil.com/news.